The next layer we are going to work is mental layer, the mind, Manomaya Kosha. Please understand, the inner chattering which goes on inside you, which you are not able to switch off, which takes over you, overpowers you. I can give you the example. Late night you are not able to fall asleep. You are tossing, rolling on the bed. One side thinking about so many things which you need to do. Other side worrying that if you don't sleep tonight, tomorrow you will not be able to do anything. But various things which you are supposed to do in the future, which you have done wrongly in the past, overpowers you. See, such a strong thought currents which you are not able to control, overpowering you. This layer, the mental layer, Manomaya Kosha, strong thought currents overpowering you, is the biggest incompletion stored in Manomaya Kosha, the mental layer. Please listen. In the mental layer, the powerful, strongest incompletion recorded, strongest incompletion stored is thought currents overpowering you, making you powerless. In this layer, we store all the pain patterns. We store all the pain patterns. Physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, spiritual pain. All the pains are reduced to mental pain and recorded in your being. Please understand, physical pain also, when it is recorded in your mind, it becomes only mental pain. It is the mental pain about physical pain, that's all. Physical pain, all of you know. If somebody hits you, what happens? It's the physical pain. Mental pain is, if you are not respected somewhere the way you expect to be respected. Emotional pain is somebody whom you really love or trust cheats you. And spiritual pain, conscious pain is pain of not achieving what you want to achieve in your life. Listen, these four major pains get stored in your pain body, in your mental layer. Mental layer is pain body. That is where all the pains are stored. I'll lead you into a very powerful process to get you out of this mess you created for yourself. Each thought current overpowering you and torturing you, even though you don't want them. Now I tell you, sit, recall each and every incident, relive them in your inner space. Write them down. I commit with you today with this Samskara Dahana Kriya, I will complete all your pain patterns because they are not worthy of carrying. You have a stupid U-Haul service. Constantly your pain being transferred wherever you go. This U-Haul service does its job even if you don't call them. That's the problem. The unique process we will do now, you are literally going to write your autobiography. Understand? This process is called Samskara Dahana Kriya. Start with the earliest memories of your life. Recall all the unpleasant incidents of your life. The ones that brought you mental, physical, emotional, conscious pains. Recall each incident. Relive it in your inner space intensely. Go back to the same situation, same emotion, same thinking pattern, same understanding, same experience. Go back to that age. Bring that same emotion, bring that same experience. After reliving, write down each incident clearly as if you are writing a story. Do not censor anything. Do not avoid any incidents. Write each and every incident. Don't censor. Do it really, really sincerely. Go ahead. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.